Hi there! Welcome to the Serendipity snippet on how to make French knots. This is part of our special celebration of National Embroidery Month, and I'm just happy that you're here with me. And I'm just going to talk you through making a French knot. So I've got my needle at the front of the fabric or on the canvas where I want to place the stitch. Now what I'm going to do is wrap around the needle one time, and I'm going to hold that thread tautly in my left hand, which is my non-dominant stitching hand, and I'm going to insert the needle into the canvas over one intersection of canvas, because you have to have that knot has to have a place to actually sit, and then you just pull through until you get that knot secured and it's sitting nice and snug on the surface of your fabric. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.